this was the reason actually. Okay. uh, uh, so this is the only way, actually this is the only place where we feel that he was lost. यहाँ से वो lost हुआ था. It means he was going out from the first and second floor he went, or first and second story he went, and then he found the he was trapped and he went into a subway. अब subway में after that he get lost. Now old world, अब उसको old वहां पर what did he feel there, what did he actually imagine there, वहां पर उसने क्या कल्पना थी, and what was there. The third level, Charlie finds only a few tickets, window and gates. वहां पर थोड़े से गेट थे और थोड़ी सी ही टिकट काउंटर थी. This is third level. And the information booth in the center is made of wood. जो information booth है, it was made of wood. लकड़ी का बना हुआ था एक information means help desk you can say, and it old looking, पुराने type का था. And he sees the flickering open flame gas light. Gas light means the arrangement of lighting. It was very old time. Actually, old time somewhere it was in 1894. It was somewhere. Okay, it was in 1894. 1894 का जो scene दिखा रहा है. And now and the information, and it is old looking. He sees flickering of the, and there are brass spittoons on the floor. Brass के spittoon where they spit and all they use to avoid the dirtiness and all. People wear their pie hats and the 4-button suit. 4-button के suit. It means all old pattern, old fashioned people he find there. वहां पर उसको he finds there all old fashioned people. People and he has never seen so many beards, sideburns and the fancy mustache in the life. इस तरह के whatever the clothing, whatever the outlook was there, वहां पर जिस तरह की outfit थी, dressing थी, and he has never seen, उसने कभी नहीं देखी. He catches a glimpse of a very small courier and the EV's locomotive. Locomotive, that engine engine which drives the train. उसने एक locomotive पे देखा. Then he walks over to a bookshop, and वो एक bookshop पर गया. He buys a copy of the World. The World, actually the World, it is the name of the newspaper, and the World has not been published for years. Means actually it has not been published, but he buys in 1894. Actually he thinks himself, and he was waking himself, and he was dreaming side by side in 1894. But the copy was buy was printed on June 11, 1894. जो उसने कॉपी बाई की थी वहां पर, and the date was there 11 June 1894. Now 1890. This is the first scene. First scene, what did he see in the on the third level? That all old fashions put in the center, help desk and all, and the brass buttons, and the people they were putting on old type of clothes and all, hat, purani hat thi, and all this. And he also he went to the bookshop also, and he bought a the World, copy of the World. That is name of the newspaper. उस newspaper की copy, but it was date was 11 June 1894. 1894 की वो date थी उसमें. Now next scene, what did he see there? वहां पर वो क्या देखता है? The Charlie turns toward the ticket window की तरह जाता है, and he wants 2 tickets for the Galesburg. Galesburg के लिए वो 2 ticket लेता है. The clerk figures the fare. He counts the fare. The clerk who was sitting there, he counts the fare. Fare को count करता है. He counts out the money and looks up. उसको money दिखाकर he looks up, दिखाई देता है. The clerk stare at him and said, that are not money. That are not money. वो कहता this is not the money because it was the old currency in 1894. 1894 की जो currency थी that was old, and he was giving the new currency. So he told that they are not the money. Master मतलब उसको कहा mister ये पैसा नहीं है. And he even warned him not to cheat him. उसने warning दिया that don't cheat him. And Charlie glances at the cash drawer. Now Charlie he saw that the cash drawer, जो उसका कैश का ड्रॉयर था उसने देखा, and he found the old type of currency was there. वहां पर old type की currency थी. The money is old style note and different looking. He turns away and get out fast. वहां से वापस मुड़ता है, और because he was fear of, otherwise he could be handed over to the police. वहां पर वो उसको पुलिस को भी हैंड ओवर कर सकता था. And there is nothing nice about the going to jail in 1894. 1894 में जेल में जाना भी कोई अच्छा नहीं था. Now next day, now he came out. Next day he draws $300 out of the bank. $300 उसने बैंक से लिए, and he buys old currency note. Old notes and all we can buy from the market. Market से उसने लिए, and one can buy old note almost at a coin dealers. जो coin dealers होते हैं, जो exchange करते हैं, and you can buy. But one has to pay premium, means you have to pay extra for them. If it is 300 rupees, 300, it means you might have to pay for 400 for that. उसके लिए शायद आपको 400 पे करना पड़ता. His $300 buys less than 200 an old style note. उसने जो 300 rupees whatever he has drawn from the बैंक से जो भी विड्रॉ किए थे, and that was less than 200 only notes he could buy. मतलब value of that currency was 200. उसकी जो value थी 200 थी, वो buy कर सकता. But he has never again found the corridor that he leads to the third level. Now he wanted to take the ticket, वहां से ticket लेना चाहता था, but he never found it. उसने कभी भी वो third level नहीं मिला. Means he has just sensed, he has just observed once that he was on the third level. And what did he see at the station platform when he wanted to buy the ticket? Or what was the scene at the platform? Platform, very few tickets counters and old book stalls were there. He bought the book of the world and all, and he also saw the brass spittoons and all, which is kept for spitting. Those who are eating this pan and all, pan chabate, all these people. Okay, and now at the third level, he, after getting the money, he tried to find out. वो दोबारा उस पे जाना चाहता था, and he tried often enough. And Louisa, his wife, is pretty worried. Wife name is Louisa, pretty worried. And when he tells him all his story, जब उसको ये story बताते that he was on the third level, and she was very much worried, and she does not want him to look for the third level anymore. अब नहीं चाहती थी कि वो third level में आए, third level में आए. Now his friend Sam Winner, Sam Winner, this is the actually he is the psychiatrist friend, Sam Winner. It means there are three characters: Charlie, Louisa, his wife, and the Sam Winner, psychiatrist. These are the three characters. Now both of them, Charlie and his wife Louisa, have a proof that the third level is still there. मतलब इन सबको लगता है कि ये third level है. They want to search for that. And his friend Sam Winner disappears. मतलब वो disappear हो जाता when they were going. And nobody knows where the Charlie suspect him to be the Galesburg. लेकिन कुछ पता नहीं है, लेकिन चार्ली उसको सस्पेक्ट करता है, he might be in the Galesburg. वो गेल्सबर्ग में हो सकता है. He liked the place very much, क्योंकि उसको ये place बहुत अच्छा था. Charlie had often told him about the place in his school. School time में उसने उसको उस place के बारे में बताया था. That is the psychiatrist. He also disappears. A letter mailed on July 18, 1894. Now 1894 जुलाई में एक letter उसको मिलता है. The night Charlie finds among the oldest first day cover. Actually, first day cover, what is it? Sometime there may be a first day cover. When the new stamp is issued, new stamp, जब नई stamp issue करती है, there are actually many people who wants to take that stamp, buy that stamp. उस stamp को buy करके वो अपने नाम ही envelope पे लगा के उसको, and they are having the date from the post office. Post office के जो stamp लगाते हैं उसमें date होती है and station का. It means this is all hobby. It is a part of hobby. ये उनकी hobby का part है. And they mail to themselves. वो अपने आप ही mail कर लेते हैं. It means it is a proof that they have bought the ticket on the first day. So that is called the first day cover. A rare envelope, एक अजीब तरह का envelope होता है, and it had been mailed to his grandfather. तो उसके grandfather को mail किया गया था at his home in the Galesburg में. मतलब he found that first day cover. The postmark showed July 18, 1894. उस पे postmark जो लिखा हुआ था, postmark post office stamp, उसकी stamp थी, उस पे July 18, 1894. And the Charlie had never seen the envelope before. लेकिन चार्ली ने ये envelope कभी पहले नहीं देखा. And he cannot understand how it came there. उसके ये समझ में नहीं आया कि ये कैसे हुआ. He takes it out and opens it. वो उसको खोलता है. Actually, there is nothing in that. It is only just hobby. It is only envelope, because they have to put on envelope. Then only it is to be stamped. It is to be stamped. तब उसको stamp लगाई जाती है. And that is the main purpose. That this ticket was issued on this date, and I bought on that date. मैंने उसी दिन उसको खरीद लिया. And there was nothing in it, just a plain paper it was. And the letter was addressed to Charlie by Sam. Now ये letter उसको Sam ने भेजा था. Sam ने Charlie को भेजा था. And it was written that Charlie was right about the third level. And he told, because he was a psychiatrist, he told that Charlie was right when he thought that he told that he was on the third level. वो Grand Central में third level पे था. इसका मतलब उसने ये कहा कि वो सही बोल रहा था. Third level. And Sam claimed that he had found the third level. Sam ने claim किया था कि वो भी था. It means he had also escaped from the world worries of this world. इस दुनिया से वो भी मतलब escape हो गया. and he was in Galesburg, and it was highly romantic place. ये बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेस था, रोमांटिक प्लेस था, and someone was playing piano. वहां पर क्या क्या सीन हो रहे, कोई पियानो खेल रहा था, others were singing Nelly Home, कोई वो गाना गा रहे थे, and it was written by the Charlie and Loisa should keep looking, और उसमें ये लिखा गया Charlie and Loisa means this narrator that they should keep looking, वो इनको मतलब सर्च करते रहें थर्ड लेवल को, keep looking till they found the third level again, जब तक उनको दोबारा थर्ड लेवल नहीं मिलता, they should keep on trying, उनको ट्राई करते रहना चाहिए. The letter was signed by Sam, और ये लेटर सैम ने लिखा. And the Charlie goes to the stamp point store, वो stamp point store में जाता है, and he finds that the Sam had bought $800 worth of the old currency. उसने देखा कि उसने $800 जो ओल्ड करेंसी थी वो खरीदी थी, एंड दिस मनी वाज इनफ टू सेट अप द फीड एंड ग्रेन बिजनेस, वो अपना बिजनेस भी स्टार्ट कर सकता था. दिस मनी वाज इनफ फॉर द फीड एंड ग्रेन, फीड जो फूडर्स होता फॉर द एनिमल्स एंड ऑल, एंड द ग्रेन बिजनेस, ग्रेन मींस अगेन इट इज अनाज का जो बिजनेस होता है, एंड विच ही हैड इन माइंड, जो उसके दिमाग में था, मींस ही वाज हैविंग सफिशिएंट मनी टू स्टार्ट हिज बिजनेस, उसका बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहता. But now he can't go back to his old business, लेकिन अब वो अपना पुराना बिजनेस, because he was now lost in the thought again, it means he was in the on the third level, and now can he go back to Galesburg? Nor can he go back to Galesburg, वो Galesburg में नहीं जा सकता था. It means the Charlie, he could not go to Galesburg, and Galesburg in 1894, and Sam was no one else but the psychiatrist friend. ये Sam कोई नहीं था, ये उसका psychiatrist friend था. Okay, this is the story. Now let's go for the question straight. Question answers, and I'll go for the short so that long question also, by combining one or two this you can 10 to 15 minutes are there. We'll go for the why did the narrator talk to a psychiatrist friend of his, and what did he say about the third level? उसने third level में why did he talk to? Because he told that he was there on the third level in the Grand Central Station, and no one was ready to believe Charlie. Charlie को कोई विश्वास नहीं कर रहा था there was any third level at the Grand Central, कि third level कोई Grand Central में है. The narrator wanted to talk to his psychiatrist friend. Narrator अपने psychiatrist friend से बात करना, because no one was believing him, उसको कोई विश्वास नहीं कर रहा था. And his friend called him a waking dream. उसने उसका waking dream कहा था. Waking dream, it was just means in the wake, not in sleep, and wish fulfilled. The third level was the creation of Charlie mind. It was own product of imagination. उसकी जो creation of mind, उसके अपने mind की creation थी. And it was Charlie's attempt to escape from the harsh reality of the modern life, means the difficulties of life. It means here you can add out, he was not strong enough mentally and physically to cope up with the situation of the real life, or to face the difficulties of the real life, and that's why he wanted to escape. Even the psychiatrist, his friend, told him that he is an escapist. उसको escapist माना था. Escapist means who is be away from the real. How did the narrator psychiatrist friend analyzes his claim for being at the third level of the grand? कैसे उसने analyze किया था? And he told about it is a waking dream. Okay. The narrator told the psychiatrist about the third level, and his friend analyzed that it was just a waking dream and wish fulfilled. Wish उसकी fulfill हो गई थी, waking dream था, and it was fulfilled because अब उसकी जो habit थी, nature थी, what he was always happy, unhappy. And this made his wife almost mad because she was worried about his mental condition of Charlie. And the modern world, now again you can say why he was having that nature, क्यों था? Because he was not strong enough, he was not mentally tough and physically strong to face the problem of the life. And that's why the modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, and worries. Charlie just wanted to escape to the world of fancy and imagination, not real. What did the narrator friend say about him? उसके बारे में क्या कहता? Again वो same thing you are, because he was escapist, he was not strong enough and all to face the reality of the life. That's why, and he was just he told that he was in a third level of the Grand Central, and he could not face the cruel realities of modern world. Cruel reality of modern world, इसको वो बिल्कुल face नहीं कर रहा. Okay, why does Charlie say that Grand Central is growing like a tree in the story the third level? क्यों कहता है it is growing like a tree? Because it is a very big station and there are many corridors and many stairs, बहुत सी corridors and stairs हैं. Because he was also lost once or twice, दो तीन बार वो भी, he was also confused. Means a new man can always confuse there. वहां पर हमेशा कंफ्यूज कैन क्रिएट ए ग्रेट कंफ्यूजन फॉर ए न्यू कमर्स, बट बिकॉज ही वाज वेल नोन टू द स्टेशन, वो काफी जानता था उसको. The Charlie often get lost in the Grand Central and he always confused there. He thinks that Grand Central is like a tree. And then you can quote the example. Once he was routed and he found himself in the hotel, and again, once again, he was found in the some office of the building. It was 100 times, but he always bumping into the new doors and the stairs corridor, endless doorway, corridor, tunnels enough to confuse a person like Charlie. Although there are many doors, many stairs, and many tunnels, which is sufficient to confuse a person like Charlie. Why it is called Charlie? Because Charlie is not mentally, physically strong to handle the difficulties of life. Life की difficulty handle करने के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार. That's why he is called in the example. Okay. How did Charlie often get lost on the Grand Central Station? Grand Central Station पर वो कैसे उसको मतलब how did Charlie get lost? कैसे उसको get lost हो जाता है Charlie Grand Central Station? Yes, I think Dinesh sir, Dinesh sir, Dinesh sir. In mute all the student. I think some student they are putting on something and all. Yes. Some student they put on cameras and all this. Okay. Now, how did narrator get lost when he was heading for the subway? Now it is the real story. What happens actually when he was trying to come out from the Grand Central? वहां से आने के लिए. The narrator turned to the Grand Central from there, and he went down the first level and then to the second level. Then he walked to a suburban area where the train left because he wanted to go through the fast way. अपने fast way से जाना चाहता था. And that's why there was one arc subway, and there he get lost. And he found himself onto the third level. उसने अपने आप को third level पर. How did the narrator come out on the third level at the Grand Central Station after he had lost the way? कैसे वो वहां पर आया? Again, it is the same. Means when he wanted to go to the first level, then he went to the second level. There was a subway, and then he entered into the. There something might have gone wrong. वहां पर कुछ गड़बड़. The narrator lost the way when he was heading for the subway. Subway पर जा रहा था. He knew that he was wrong, but he kept on walking downwards, and he heard the sound of people talking. And the tunnel turned sharp left. This tunnel, it turned left, and then he went down a short flight of stairs. He came out on the third level of the Grand Central Station. Grand Central Station पर third level पर वो आ गया. What convinced Charlie that he had reached the third level at the Grand Central Station, not the second? What convinced Charlie? Charlie किस चीज ने convince किया था? Because what he saw there, different type of people, he has never seen such type of scene. There were a few ticket counters, थोड़े से ही ticket counter थे. There was a wooden help desk. Help desk जो उसमें था, it was in the center of the hall. Center में था बिल्कुल. And it was made of wood. Wood का बना हुआ था. It was very old. And brass puttings and all, and old type of books. He found that he also bought one newspaper, The World, and it was date was 11 June 1894. It means he found that he was on the third level. After passing through the tunnel and the short flight of stairs on the left, Charlie came out on the third level. For a moment, he thought that he was back on the second. First, he thought that he was on the second floor, but no. But then he realized that he was exactly on the third. The things, situations were different there. Means all the things, they were totally different there. And the room was smaller. Now these are the things you can learn. ये आप याद रख सकते हो. What was the difference there, and how did he come to know that he was on the third level? कैसे था वो? Because the things were totally different. There were few tickets window, train gates, तो बहुत ही कम थे, and the information booth was made of wood. उसका wood का बना हुआ था, and it was of the old fashion. It was totally of old fashion, and the light was very dim, and the Charlie that he was on the third level. Means it's the medium of escape. It's the way to escape from the reality. And why did Charlie rush back from the third level? अब वो third level से क्यों rush back किया था? Because when he was taking the ticket, जब वो ticket counter and the clerk told, he warned him that don't try to cheat him, otherwise he would hand over him to the police. उसको पुलिस को hand over कर देगा. Then he went back. He tried to move from there. Charlie wanted to buy the tickets to the Galesburg, and the clerk figured out the fare. And when he counted the money, he stared at him. He counted the money. He was looking at him. उसको देख रहा था. And they are not money, Mister. And he said, उसने कहा, ये these are not the money. Why did he say though? Because he was in the 1894, where the old type of currency was used, old currency, and he was giving the new currency to buy the ticket. Ticket खरीदने के लिए वो नई currency दे रहा. And he rushed back there, nothing and was nothing nice about going to jail in that time. उस time में भी jail में जाना, it was not. Why did the narrator see unusual at the third level? Again, you can see it is the same answer. Means whatever abnormality, whatever the difference was there. Why did Charlie think that the Sam has escaped to Galesburg? अब Charlie ने क्यों सोचा? Because he was also talking like that. Charlie's friend Sam disappeared all of a sudden. अचानक when they were going, वो जब जा रहे थे, he disappeared. Nobody knew where, और किसी को नहीं पता था वो कहाँ गया. But Charlie could make a guess. वो अंदाजा लगा. He could imagine that Sam was a city boy and liked Galesburg very well. Means he belongs to city. वो city में रहते हैं, and he liked the Galesburg. Among the oldest first day cover, he found an envelope. Now, how did he make sure that? How did he means come to know that he was in the third level? When he found the letter, first day cover, it was on the old one of the room. It was on one of the among the oldest. First day he found the envelope mailed by Sam to his grandfather. Sam ने उसके grandfather को एक वो डाला हुआ था at home in the Galesburg. He confirmed that Sam was at Galesburg, or because the stamp was on the envelope, the stamp was of the Galesburg. Galesburg की stamp थी, and then he came to me. Okay, so this question can answer many questions. This answer can be used for many questions, and it's very important. Why did Charlie think that Sam has escaped to Galesburg? Because when he saw the letter given to his grandfather, and it was given by the Sam, and the date was also 18 July 1894, and the stamp, it was marked Galesburg. वहाँ पर Galesburg की stamp लगी हुई थी. That's why he was sure that he has gone to Galesburg. इसीलिए sure. Why couldn't the narrator buy 2 tickets for Galesburg in spite of having the old currency? अब old currency के बाद भी why he could not get the 2 tickets? Because he could never find the third level again. वो कभी he tried, but he could never reach there. The narrator needed the old currency to pay the 2 tickets to the Galesburg. वो जाना चाहता था. It is a and next day he drew 300 rupees. Means what did he do? He draw the money from the bank and he buy old currencies, notes and all. And then he, but he never found again the corridor that led to the third level at Grand Central Station. Grand Central Station से he never found that again. वो उसको दोबारा कभी नहीं मिला. What was the narrator's why Lucia agreed? Because he was, she did not want that he should go for the in search of the third level. Because already because of his mental condition and all, he was mentally very weak actually, to be very frank. He was mentally weak. He wanted to escape from the ground reality and the harsh reality of this cruel world. इस दुनिया की जो cruel world है, इस जो दुनिया में जो भी problems and all, he did not want to face. He could not face because he was mentally and physically weak. दोनों तरह से weak था. That's why it was the way to escape from the ground reality. What was the first day cover? Again, it is very important question. First day cover. When a new stamp was issued, जब भी नई stamp is issued, the stamp collector buys some stamps. उसमें से कुछ stamp खरीद लेते हैं. And they use those stamps to mail envelope to themselves. अपने आप ही मतलब एक कवर पे लगाते हैं और अपने लिए ही मेल कर देते हैं. On the very first day of the sale, जो first day होता है सेल का, उसी दिन वो खरीद के स्टैंप अपने लिए ही वो कर देते हैं. The postmark proves the date and the envelope is called the first day cover, and this is called the first day cover. Sometimes this question can be, I think it is very important question. What do you mean by first day cover in the lesson? The envelope was never opened. Only the blank paper is put in. उसमें केवल blank paper डाला जाता है. How did Charlie prepare to go to Galesburg, and why couldn't reach there? Now, what did he do to prepare? Why he wanted to go to the third level? He bought old style note, old currency note, and he withdraw 300 rupees, and he was able to only less than 200. And he was in search of this one. And his wife was very much worried about because of his behavior. What did Charlie learn about the Sam from the stamp and coin store? उसको Charlie को कैसे क्या पता लगा था about the Sam? It means he was certainly the Charlie went to the stamp and the coin store. he found that Stamp had bought $800 worth of old currency. उसने एक तो $800 लिए हुए हैं जो स्टैम्प और कॉइन स्टोर पे जाके देखा कि उसने कुछ खरीदे हुए हैं. This is the office actually, I think, just like a treasury and all. And the sum could set up him and his hay and feed and the grain business. Hay and feed all animal feeders जो animals के लिए चारे का business start कर सकता था. But Charlie found out the Sam could not go back to his old business. वो अपने old business पे नहीं जा सकता था. Certainly not in Galesburg in 1894 क्योंकि वो 1894 में था. He was also escaped from the reality, ground reality or the harsh reality of life. उससे भी वो बच गया था. And Sam was his psychiatrist. Sam उसका psychiatrist था. Okay, students, and especially for the old students, in case you find any problem, if you want to discuss anything, you talk to your class in charge, and we'll certainly going to make separate arrangement for you so that we can talk to you directly. And whatever the lessons, whatever the questions, wherever the confusion you are having, that will be clear. उसको हम clear करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Okay. I think chapter what was written